this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use, and if you're going to use this application, you're going to need a subscription. So do keep that in mind. Here you have a lot of options which you can use. You have the templates which you can choose from. You have a lot of templates. You have the dual video templates, some are party templates. And if you do want to see more of the specific templates, as you can see for this one, just tap on the all option here. You'll be able to see everything for this section here, as you can see. So any one of these that you want to use, as you can see here, you're very easy to use. Just tap on any one that you want to use, and it will pretty much give you the option to select which one of these you can see here for this section here. You want to create any videos and so forth. And all you have to do is upload a photo of the one-year couple, and you get results like this. Very simple. And as well, you can adjust how long you want the video to be, and that's very much it. So do keep in mind, you're going to need a subscription to even use any one of these features on this application here. As you can see, I have a lot of other features which you can use, and all of them are pretty much these two. So that's pretty much for that. So the text to image to video option, or text to image, and text image to video option. Here, go into this section here, as you can see, we'll just give you a preview. But anyways, here be able to enter a prompt. If you don't have anything in mind, you can always tap on the bell icon here. We'll generate something for you. And as well, if you do want to add an image as reference, you can go ahead and add your image here. As well, the aspect ratio of the image, you can select either one of these. So down here you have the duration of the video. If you create the video, as you can see, pretty much a video generator one. Once you have pretty much select the how long you want the video to be, it's all up to you. The advanced option here is pretty much the negative font. This section here, you pretty much type what you do not want to see in that video that you want to generate. The movie section here, as you can see, will just show you a quick preview of how the movie section looks. As you can see here, and this is pretty much the results of the movie section. So very good. Not gonna lie, as you can see, you can add your face as the main character, as well upload what you want to do as it relates to that. So that's really much for that. There you have the chat to image option. Nothing much. All you have to do is just upload a image of something, and what you want to do is describe what you want to do to that image, and you're pretty much good to go. So very easy to use and very straightforward. So that's pretty much it for the application. And in the library section now, this is pretty much where you see everything that I've generated on the application, from the images to the videos will be shown in this section. So the subscription for this application here, that's top on Get Pro option at top. Be able to get the weekly and a yearly subscription. As you can see here, everything that I'm getting with the subscription and so forth. So that's pretty much it for this application here. If I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. See if you can help me. See you in the next video.